In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload a pattern to Cricut Design Space. So let's just say you want to, I'm going to grab a text, come over here and click a text. And I'm just going to type in, say, time with a purpose. Okay, let's just say you type your little quote in or whatever, and you want it to be glitter. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Google, go to Google, and say you want like I'm going to do like a, let's say, blue glitter background. Let's type in blue glitter background. And truthfully, I'm just going to select whichever one I want. I'm just going to, how about this? Right click, I'm going to hit right click and I'm going to hit save image as. And right here, I'm going to do download file name. Save your file name under blue glitter or whatever you want to save it under so you can find it. And hit save. All right, once that's saved, go back, open up Cricut. I want you to go down where you see, let me bring it down so we can see what's going on. Sorry, y'all can see that. I want y'all to go down to where it say upload and pay close attention because you don't want to miss this. You're going to be confused. Now, right here, you see upload. It have image and it have pattern fill. You're going to select the one that say pattern fill and then upload pattern. Click on it. Once you select it, it's going to tell you to, now if you got a Mac, you can drag. Actually, I never choose this option. Is it right here? They said I can drag and drop. Can I do that? I don't know. So what I normally would do is I just go to browse. And I just select that and hit open. What I just download. And right here, it's going to tell you it's going to be a print then cut. You can either change your name right here if you want to, or you can leave it just like that and hit upload. Now go down and hit cancel. Select the your name. Now right here where it say basic cut, I want you to go down and change it to a print then cut. I want you to select the box with the color swatch. Select that. Where I say print type, select the arrow down and select pattern. And that pattern you just uploaded, it should be right there. And you just click off. Now, you can't really see, but let's change the background color to black. Oh, maybe that's bad color. I don't know if y'all can see that really good. Let's zoom in. Well, as y'all can see, it changed. Maybe I need to try another one. So let's see. Let me use this blue one. And as you can see, it turns to blue. It turns to blue. So that's how you upload a pattern. All right, let's just say you want to upload a photo. Now, look, I love me some Big Boogie, and Boogie, this only for video purpose. I'm not selling nothing. I just want to show my followers, my peoples, how to upload an image to Cricut Design Space. Now, I'm about to type in Big Boogie. That's my brother. He don't know that, but I love me some Big Dude. Big Dude. And I'm going to use this photo right here. Yeah. Ah, look at my brother, y'all. All right. So anyways, right click. Hit save image as. And truthfully, if it say web P, you can't download it. So I'm going to hit cancel. I can't get that one. So I'm just going to click on images. Maybe I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to do right click. Save image as. And if it say Jpeg, this JPG, you can download it. So I'm just going to hit Download and save it under Big Boogie. Hee hee. I'm going to hit save. Then I'm going to go up. I done ran out of storage. I'm sorry. So let's go to upload. And right here it say upload image. Go to browse. And then I'm just going to select Big Boogie and hit open. Now, again, this is just for video purpose. I'm just showing my peoples how to upload an image from Google to Cricut Design Space. And then I will hit continue. Select apply and continue. And then I will select flat graphic and hit continue. And then you hit upload. And as you can see, it's uploaded to your canvas. Let's just say you want to slice a letter inside, Boogie face. So we're just going to go over here and grab a text. And I'm just going to get a text, the letter B. I'm sorry, I said the number. And I'm just going to keep that font. And I'm just going to drag the B over Big Boogie face. Oh, that's a wrong. Let me change the font to something. Hold on. Up where it say Cricut Sans. I'm sorry, I'll be forgetting y'all beginners. Cricut Sans, and click on Cricut Sans, and you can come over to system to change your fonts. I'm just going to use the font Bernard. I'm just trying to get a B to get Boogie face in. So once you get the photo, we'll unlock it. Oh, wait, hold on. So once you get your image to how you would like it, now you can either do it this way, or you can select the B where it say basic cut. I want you to select that and go down to where you see guide. And as you can see, this purple will tell you what all will be sliced out. So you just take your mouse, drag it against the photo and the letter. Go down. Well, you can't see that. Let's go down and you will see slice. Select slice. You will then just remove the B. You can delete it. Remove the photo, delete it. And as you can see, your boy is shining bright like a diamond. Now, this is how you slice a photo inside of a letter. All right, let's just say you want to slice Boogie into a number. So go over, grab a text, and he's number 1. We're going to drag it, make it a little big. Go to upload. I'm going to show y'all something different. Select pattern fill. Go to upload pattern. Go to browse. And upload Big Boogie to a pattern. We're going to hit open. Big Boogie going to pop up. We're going to hit upload. Go down and hit cancel. Now this number 1 is a basic cut. We're going to go up and select the basic cut. Then we're going to go down where it say print then cut. Change it to a print then cut. Click on this color swatch where it say print type. Go to color. Go down to where it say pattern. There go Big Boogie right here. Select. And then you just hit click off. Now, as you can see, we can't see Boogie. So what you can do is select the 1. Go back up to the photo and hit edit pattern. And you edit the pattern. Now here you just use your scale if you want to zoom out, zoom in. And as you can tell, Boogie gonna be, right here. So you can do horizontal. You got to change it. If you want him to move over, just hit the arrow horizontal. If you want to bring him down, go vertical. And I like that pretty much. And I just hit exit. And as you can see, you can do Boogie like this. Or I'm going to go up here and hit duplicate. While it's a printed cut, I'm just going to change it back to a basic cut. I'm going to upload. Click on Boogie. Hit add to canvas. And then you can just, now let's do draw. We're going to hit, go down to guide. And then we're just going to place Boogie up in there. So select the photo, hit send to back. Drag the photo down. So come up here and unlock the portion. Drag it down. So you can see what you got all up in there, number one. Once you do that, once you're satisfied, make sure you cover up the one. I know his head gonna be out, but this is just video purpose for right now. Drag your mouse against everything. Go down to slice. You see this purple guy, delete it. And you see the one that's like open. Click on it and delete it, and you have Boogie. So this is how you upload a pattern. And yeah, let me know what y'all think.